Welcome back to the BSN channel, also known as the Black Star Nain channel. How is everyone? Anyways, I don't usually start off saying that. I mean my Max B swag, whatever. So today I'm just gonna show a vlog or video of me eating Fante Kenkey and what we like to prepare with Fante Kenkey. Got my mum here as normal. How you doing, mum? You looking a bit cross.
Hi, people.
Don't do that. You didn't sound like that before.
Hi, people.
See, you understand, this is not planned. I run up to my mum when she's cooking. This is not planned, you know. I don't say to my mum, we're going to do a cooking video. She starts cooking and then I'm like, camera. She's like, oh my God, can I just cook? So anyways, let's get with the ingredients. Okay, so my mum was impatient, so she's already taken the kenkey out of the wrap. Usually you use a banana leaf.
This is what we call it intel document.
At first it's very dark green, but as it ferments, it becomes
what
brown.
leaf is this? It's
usually either banana leaf or is it plantain leaf?
I think it's plantain or banana. It depends what, you know, how soft it is.
And with the gat kenkey or dokunu,
They use
corn husk.
corn. Yeah.
But you can buy that in shop. They dry it.
So this is actually intel document. There's a difference taste. But the original ones are in Ghana that you can get the, you know, proper intel when you go to Infante. It's Infante people who are experts when it comes to Infante
Of course.
intel document.
It's probably my favorite type of kenkey. I used to love gat kenkey.
Oh, you should go to Kippers.
I still do, but I like both of them. Like right now it's daytime, and I like Fante Kenkey in the daytime. I like gat kenkey at night time. Okay, so usually I would have sardines with this. I'll just have some sardines.
It is the best.
Yeah, I'm saying what we usually do.
Okay.
Usually we have sardines. We have like a red sauce, some shito.
They're all here.
You've got the shito. Got the red sauce, which is primarily
There's anchovy in it.
whoo, a bit of flavor.
Yeah.
Bit of flavor, you don't know. So you got tomato, pepper, onions, and anchovy in here. Grind it together. That's looking nice. But what we're gonna add as well, which we like to do sometimes, is some kippers. So if you don't usually do this, you might want to give this a try because kippers is so nice.
Better than the...
Nice.
You want to open it and show people what it looks like.
Yes, please.
I have plenty of oil on it, but I normally try and drain the oil off.
Let's sniff this.
You can't sniff it. Hasn't got any scent at all. Kippers is different. You can only taste it.
Smells like kippers.
Of course it is Kippers.
But you said it wouldn't smell like anything. It smells like kippers.
Yeah, I can smell it now.
So this is in sunflower oil.
Yeah, but the oil, give me a
Yeah,
chance.
we're going to drain that.
Yeah, I'll drain first.
And that's going to be our meat. Usually I like to have like choffy or prawns. But kippers is a nice alternative.
So
Everything is fish. Right here. Fish in here. Fish in there. And that's actually fish.
that kenkey is going to be warm up a bit. But you said you like it cold, isn't it?
I never said that, but I'll eat it cold. I don't care.
That's the Kippers. It's filleted. So there's no bones in there.
If my mum wasn't here, yeah, I'd actually fry this for a little while. That's what I would do.
No way. It's been smoked.
I know, but I would fry it just for like 30 seconds each
and
side.
then sting the house.
Yes.
No way.
Beautiful. Stink the house. Stink the house. Stink the house. Stink the house.
It will happen.
Stink the house. But obviously my mum don't like the stench.
I love eating fish, but I don't like the smell of it.
You used to like the smell, Mum.
Yeah, but I've
What
got
happened?
rid of it. As you're getting older, you become a little bit fussy.
This is the shito we're using. The Lieb. Nice. It's not the best, but it's
This
good.
one. This is not the best anyway. It's horrible.
No, we
There's new ones.
must have gone into a shop here and we was like, oh, where's the Shito? I said, oh yeah, we got plenty Shito. I go there, yeah, and it's only this. What do you mean you got plenty Shito?
They haven't got any contact. They're
trying to reduce costs. It looks like the rent is too high.
This one is desperate. It's just selling it cheap for them, for people to buy. So I'm putting everything on the side.
So anyway, how are you heating the Kenkey? What I usually do, I just put it in the microwave.
Yeah, microwave is going.
If you don't like using the microwave, you can always just boil it.
Boil it again. This is not that Kenkey.
Some people do that. Some people like it a bit soggy. I had a friend who done that.
What I'm going to do is,
I like mine separate, next to each other.
I'm not putting on top.
Just letting you know, I'm not the only one who's eating this. My mum really wants to eat this. Like, she actually said.
I don't want any.
No.
No, I really don't want any.
Alright, I won't embarrass you.
Don't embarrass me.
But those who don't know.
Well, supposing I've got the hamp now, so I won't be eating any.
I'll leave you some. I just wanna.
No.
I just wanna show me eating some of this.
No.
I don't want to make this too long. So you know the KK is heating up. We're gonna put some of this on the plate as well, and we'll come back when I'm ready to eat this.
What about this? Red pepper. I can't see you being able to finish.
No, I won't. That's why you're having half of it. I'm only eating some.
It's so hot. God help you.
Thanks for warning me. I will pray right now. Peace. Okay, so got my Fante Kenkey here, unwrapped, reheated. Well, actually, yeah, reheated. Got my Kippers. Just keeping it simple.
What's the Fante Kenkey?
What do you mean, what's the Fante Kenkey?
What's the real name?
Intel.
I see. You're not talking. Let me show you properly on a plate. This is Intel Docron. And this is the Kipper. Is it smoked Kippers?
Yeah, smoked Kippers.
Okay.
Sunflower.
And your red pepper and black pepper.
But trust me, if you fry it,
Okay.
it's much better when you fry it. So. But
Let's see how you can go through the heat of the chili.
I should have really brought a tissue with me. I got a European nose, but African tongue.
Yeah, let's see how it goes anyway.
So, but most likely, I've been raised with this anyways. But first of all, you got to pray. So. Okay, amen.
Amen.
This is nice and soft. Brilliant. Love it. Burning my hands. Beautiful. Beautiful. Burning my hands. Burning my hands. Beautiful.
Tell me if it's chili or not.
With the red one.
Yeah. It's not, is it?
I mean, the heat's definitely there. Definitely chilly. My nose is already starting to. But as of the taste, it's not that hard on the tongue. But the fish, the anchovy that you mixed in, that's nice. That is nice.
That is white man more money.
African tech is right there. I mean, Teddy.
But have you tasted the fish at all?
Oh yeah.
How does it taste like?
It's nice. It's like a steak.
Really?
Taste is not too strong. It's not as bland as having mackerel. No offense to mackerel though.
I think this is the best. We should be going back to the shop tomorrow, and I want to buy about a dozen. I'm returning all the sardine.
I'll leave this for you.
Hey. Eat it all. Does it remind you something?
Yeah, me waffle.
Eat all. Finish all the chili. Let's see if we can finish all the chili.
It's not the best Fante Kenkey, I'll be honest, but
I know. But this is
tastes a little bit like cake.
London.
I don't like that. It has to have that bitter taste.
It hasn't. It tastes like
But
you eating dokno.
I'm not going to eat this all because I'm going to leave some for my mum.
Why do you want to leave some for me?
Because I can't finish it.
I want you to finish all the pepper and see how great you are. There's plenty pepper
I'm going to do that to myself.
there in the kitchen, so alright, you're scared.
I'll be honest, it's not that hot.
It is hot.
It's hot, yeah, but you're forgetting. I was raised on it. My nose might drip because, well, it's genetics, isn't it? I can't really.
Oh, please, don't drip it in. Oh, I won't be touching it. Head up. How you like pepper, I don't know.
I do. You can feel it in the back of your head. When it's really hot, you can feel it in the back of your head.
Let people see the meat. It's the fish, I mean.
Just breaking off a little piece. Skin it like this. Sometimes
It's really
I like
nice.
to mash it down and mix it with the red sauce.
But do that then.
So you do this. I know it looks messy,
But this one is different.
I used to
isn't
do
it?
this when I was young. You can do the same thing with...
Well, supposing you don't finish the red pepper, and then what? And then you wasted your meat, your fish.
I don't mix all of it together. It's just get a little bit and mix it. The red sauce. I know it looks messy, but I used to do this when I was young. With the sardine. And it does reduce the the feel of the
heat.
chili. Yeah. But it's not that hot, I'll be honest.
You have not even eaten half of the red pepper. It was only one
Bring me a spoon. I can even do this. I just eat in front of you. It's not that hot.
Okay, carry on showing off. Let's see later.
It's alright. Obviously the nose always drips, but my tongue, I feel good. Tastes nice. I'll tap my nose.
This would have been nice with the nkumankwai. Okro soup.
Maybe for you.
I love it. I can eat 10 okra with a small meal.
Show my face.
Why?
Mimpesa.
One person,
I don't like.
don't you know okra?
Of course, it's alright. I just don't like it.
No.
slimy
I
and all that
mean,
stuff.
I don't cut them. I mean, I just boil them and put it on my food. But what I'm saying is, okra is an iron, and it's very, very good for so many things. But a lot of people don't know. I'm being nutritionist, so it does clear certain diseases as well
Really?
from human body, yeah. But I'm not giving it away.
I have to. Knowledge is power.
Yeah.
And you want to keep the power to yourself.
Well, you know a lot of my stuff anyway, so what's the big deal?
I wasn't talking about me.
I said you know a lot of my stuff.
I know, but I mean other people don't.
Yeah, I know. So if I don't live anymore, you can probably
That's nice.
go on
I'm
the
leaving-
pepper. Go on
I'm
a bit
leaving.
more. A little bit more, please.
You know what it is? I've eaten before.
No, it was a small bread. We call that food. Eat a bit more kenkey. The kenkey is too heavy, you know.
I'm not as big as I used to be, you know.
I know that. The stomach is gone small.
So I can't eat big things.
At
I
least
try not
have
to.
one more kenkey.
That's for you. No, it's nice. Very nice. If I had an empty stomach, I would have finished both. Well, there is one ball divided into two. This is for my mother.
You don't have to give me any. I had the whole one yesterday.
And now you're going to have half of one. She's pretending for the camera like she doesn't want it. As soon as this camera comes off.
Oh, shut up, Kwame Bruni. Yeah, I know.
Kwame Brony. Brony Fa. No, I'm joking.
Bruni fa. Bibini fa.
Yes, that's the right term.
Right, so you finish.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Okay, end it
So,
then.
I hope you enjoyed. I hope it wasn't too bored or too hungry or maybe disgusted. It's up to you how you feel. If you liked the video, please like. If you didn't like it, feel free to dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you to my mother once again. And peace to everyone.